Hi, in this video I'm going to show you the common errors that happens on a bridge. So the way I've designed it is step number one, you choose the month that you want to work with, say November, and second, you choose the date within November. So once you have chosen the date, the formula will pull the information across. It will read the name and then deposit the time or whatever they're doing on that day. Now the most common thing that people do, it happens all the time, is they type the time over the formula. So now this one has been typed in, the second one haven't been typed in. So what that actually means is every day this person will always do these shifts. Okay, like for the entire year this person will do the shift. Now how do you actually resolve this problem? It's actually very easy. So first of all, you identify a cell that has got the formula, and what you do, you go to the corner and you pull upwards here, or you just copy and paste. So now here the formula have gone back. Now you have, because the formula is actually in the cell, it actually read what is on the main sheets. And somebody type in holiday. It's very common. And see, somebody is changing time on here. So every day you have the same person doing the same thing. And here for menswear I have put in a formula to count the frequency of somebody appearing twice. So again, if you just pull the formula downwards, or just copy and paste the cell in, that would actually fix the problem. Now here you have somebody typed in the actual break time. Again, he has broken the formula. So if you go to the top, that is the formula. Now you see, if I unhide this, I have got some helper cells to help me to do the calculation for the break. So which means when you actually copy the formula, you see for this particular section the formula has been deleted. So you find the one with the formula, and what you do, you select this part here. So it's actually covering the hidden formulas, and you pull downwards. Oops, didn't quite do it there. As long as it's actually over that hidden part and you pull downwards, that would actually recover the formulas. Now you can see the formulas is back again. If you find that the breaks are consistently wrong, you can actually make some fine adjustments. Now if you actually go to a tab called the breaks, on the A and B column you have got some times. Column A is the hours plus break. So for example, if somebody is doing that 8-hour shift, you just literally copy this, paste it downwards, and then you just put in 8 here. Okay, and then put in a new break time. It has to be in the number order on here, because if you put the 8 here, it will get to the 9 and couldn't find 8, and it will never work. So it has to be sorted in the order, and the formula on the bridge will read that table and deposit the breaks accordingly. So that's how you do it. So if you want to make changes to the manager's rotas, you will need to go to the link tab and you will need to go to your own manager's file to change the manager's rota, because the one that is listed on the main here with the black cell is actually being pulled through. This information is read only, because all of these consist of a formula which read from the original file. So this is actually a byproduct, and then the bridge will pick up the information. So if you have any manager change, you will need to change it on the original file, not this file. And for all the other partners, you will need to change it on the main. That's it. The only button you really should be working with is actually the date button. Don't type anything in here. Yes, so to summarize, all the time that is listed on here is actually pulling through from the main. So when you need to change anybody's shift, if they're on holiday, you need to change it on the main. Everything that is after the main is a summary of the main. So the bridge summarizes 1 day in the life of the main, and the handout summarize 1 year of a person from the main. So that's it really.